Welcome friends, welcome to online learning box. And in this today illustrations and today in this video tutorial we are going to learn uh, figure drawing, and it's maybe fourth or fifth class. In this class we are going to draw some critical aspects of figure or figure drawing. So we are basically try to cover the critical aspects, and here I'm just draw some boxes, and with the help of these boxes, actually these boxes will help you to understand the critical viewpoint of the 3D viewpoint of the body, and how you manipulate this body structure, and it's exploring your imaginations. And so without wasting time, let's start the body drawing or figure drawing. So let's start. So you can see this is a blank space, and this blank space I'm just try to draw some critical aspects of critical viewpoint. And sorry for the noise outside of my house. Here just I'm try to draw some uh, basic structure. So I'm just uh, draw hands. Why I'm drawing hands first? It's basically it's another aspects, another viewpoint. Try to break the fundamental rules, and try to make something different from others. So no issue, you can draw the skull. So head first, so you can see this is a head, and this is actually I'm actually making some boxes. Okay, why you should draw boxes? Because boxes will help you to understand the 3D viewpoint, understand the body structure, how you can manipulate the body structure. You can put some cardboard box, and imagine yourself just do something card. See, this is a cardboard box, and this red triangle will help you to uh, draw something, or help you to imagine the torso and the head position. So so you can easily do these things at your home. So, and comment me on comment box. This is a back postures, and the back portions of this body structure, skeleton structure, and you can put in place in this our muscles in this body if it can be live. So this is a back postures, and as I told all of my students that this is a critical aspects we are discussing here. The critical aspects or critical viewpoint of the body stuff and gestures. Actually it's a gestures, it's a dancing mode. So here you should do something, should practice that S curve and C curve. This is a very useful things. Draw like S and C many times. It's it will be very helpful to understanding, or the speedify your hand movement. Okay, or it will be very helpful. So see, this is a back portions, and this is the leg portions, and here I'm doing some circles, drawing some arrows, and drawing some cylindric viewpoint, and this is a foot portions, and you can uh, clearly imagine this is the gestures. Okay, so practice with me. If you're practicing when you are watching this video, it is very helpful. You can put comments in comments box. It will I will definitely give your answer. Okay, and definitely help you to betterment of your drawing style. So practice with this thing, it will very helpful. And do practice these things. I will definitely give you the download link on the description box. It will be very helpful. Practice lots of time, at least 200 or 300 times. It will be very helpful. So understanding your uh, perspective. So see this point, the curve point, the hand point, how I try to make you understand this thing. Okay, so here a curve thing, this arrow I'm showing you, this curve thing. So here is a cylindric viewpoint, and it's a the neck portion. So uh, please download these things, and give me a like button, a thumbs up for making this tutorial. And upcoming video will be very helpful if you give me inspirations. uh, so here this is a complete just going to be ending of this video. It's a very short video. Okay, just see this thing means actually this is a box portions, and this is a the another leg, and here at the circle cylindric viewpoint, you can clearly see and imagine the 3D viewpoint of this thing. So this back portions of the skull. Okay, and this thing, and this is I'm just making it more darker for better understanding. Okay, now this is carve, what I'm saying, this carve is very important, and this is the gestures you can understand the C curve and S curve. So keep practicing like this. Okay, and this is some boxes. It will be definitely helpful when you have free time. Try to practice this kind of thing. This make some boxes, make some C curve, S curve. It will be very helpful when you are going to be going to draw. See this curve. Here it's a curve, and this curve here, the rib joint section. So this hip sections. Okay, and this box is actually I have just show you the cardboard boxes, and here with the help of this cardboard boxes, those cardboard boxes will definitely help you to understand the this boxes, where to put these boxes, and how you can imagine the body gestures. Okay, the muscle movement. Okay, so it's definitely give you more advantage. So you can see this is a lots of C curve and S curve I have drawn here to make you understand. And see this one, it's a cylindric viewpoint, and the circle, the cut of the leg, cut portions of the leg, and That cut portions will help you to help you to understand where you should do some curve. So this thing, okay, this things, so try to practice this, and just practice this thing. Your drawing style will be gradually improved, okay. So and one thing you can do one thing, just gather some cardboard boxes or two cardboard boxes, and put this cardboard boxes with a PVC pipe or anything else, something like that. So this will help you to understand the torso portions, and the head portions, and the faster up part of the cardboard will be small than the lower part of the or bottom part of the cardboard box. This will definitely help you to understand the 3D style or 3D postures of the body. These two things is very important, and do it now. uh, it will definitely helpful for you, and it will definitely make you understand the gestures or style of body, and you can draw better. Oh, okay. Let's come to the point, and this is our drawing. This is our structure, and here this is something you should practice like this. This is a hand portions. It will help you to understand the muscles, okay. So do the C curve and S curve like this, okay. So thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. Please give me a thumbs up. It will give me inspirations for making a good video. Thank you very much for watching. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.